I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos, so I thought, how about I will. Today we are playing Gunfight Arena, and I'm not bragging, but this just seems too easy. I'm not lying. I promise you it does. Like, watch this. Like, easy. But, like, give me something challenging. Boom. You shot? Ooh. That's crazy. Anyways, you can see on the leaderboard, it says, I have 7 kills. And you can see why I'm dressed weird, because I'm an assassin. I'm dressed up as an assassin, and you can know why. Because I literally am one. Of the O's. Okay, so let me just lock in real quick. Watch this. Oh, frick. Come on. Hurry. Thank you. Sorry guys, I was just getting a little refill of water. Oh. Scared me right there. Alright. Oh, I love the minigun. Watch this. Boom. Just seconds. Whatever. Okay. Whatever. Watch this. Okay, I'm actually about to crush out, man. Give me something challenging. Like, I'm about to crush out, because this is so easy. Not rage quitting. Come on. No! Ooh. Come on. Hello! You seem pretty easy, fella. There's somebody on my tail right now. They can't get to me. Watch this. What are you guys aiming at? No, this isn't our base. I mean, this isn't their base. Going to their base is so much fun. It's not that hard for me. It's just so much fun because that's where they spawn at when they die. So I like to just get them. Assassin. Okay, don't mind that. That was not my good aiming. That was just bad aiming. What the? Okay, my thing is gonna die. This guy's right on my tail. Oh, frick. I missed this guy. Frick. Come on. Come and get me. Yeah. Oh. You guys meet my good friend called Minigun? It's not mini, but it's a gun. Better than your gadget. I need to find a way to charge it. My tablet. Does it kind of look like I'm playing on my Xbox? It's because I connected my Xbox controller to my tablet. You know? Just to have fun. I know you guys are probably wondering, it's more fun to play on the actual TV than this, but it's pretty cool. And I can do it right now. I can put on the TV or the living room TV. Oh my god. Why so hard? It's so hard to get. Oh, phew. It's not on my tail no more. I was at 34. I'm at 41. Come on! Why are you so scared? Is that supposed to be challenging? Because I take it easy. Oh my god. I thought I was about to get the launcher. Hello. Easy. Hello. Stop taking all my kills, man. Hello. 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 I'm dangerous. I'm not in danger. I'm just dangerous. One thing I love about this gun, it just takes so long for it to refill. Getting already 66. Let's see where I can put this weapon. I can't put it in because my thingy is close to my Xbox, and my Xbox is plugged in, and there's not another one because it's close to my TV. That's difficult. And you see if I can move. Because if I plug the Xbox, the controller's not going to work no more, and needs the Xbox on. But still on my two. So that's 46. I'm on 60. It's just backwards. Oh, never mind, to 66. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, I just moved to my bed. Oh, I'm stretching. Because I really want to be close again. Okay, what percent is my tablet? About 50? I don't know if that's 70. Yeah. Okay, good. Come on. Come on. Easy, easy, easy. You're not escaping, buddy. I'm already at 74. That's crazy. Okay. I got the charger. Come on. Okay, I just plugged it in. Let me just plug this in. Boom, let's go. There we go. Wow, I just had 13. That's crazy. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Boom. You're easy. So are you. I'm a real assassin. I want to get on my chair. I don't feel how to toss. Hello. Alright. I want you guys to comment and guess what my favorite gun is. And I'll record a short saying what my favorite gun is. I'll look through the comments. Just don't make that much, okay? If you do, I'm deleting this channel. I'm just kidding. I will never do that. But if you really want me to go through a bunch, then I will, I will, let's see. I would try not to stay on my phone, tablet, or Xbox for a week, but I could only go on my TV. At Sound Fun. So that means here you go. Here comes the nuke. That sound fun? I'll go through all of them, and if I don't, I don't even know what I said. I'm gonna have to watch this video again. $111. Oh frick. Skibidi. Not gonna say the word. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You aiming at, buddy? Just shoot. It's not that hard. Hello. What's up, people? Hurry up! Oh my god! Okay, easy money. Easy. Okay. Easy money, bruh. Easy. Bro. Just tell me I'm the best, but don't even tell me I'm the best. I'm not trying to brag. This one. No. I hate that one. Let's do Ash. No, I hate that one. It's like a little prison. I don't like it. Oh, yo, there's only a bunch of people. Bunch of easy shot. Where y'all people going? I'm not done with you. Stop hiding from me. You scared? Or you think I'm not gonna do it? If you think I'm not gonna do it, you're wrong. I killed 6 people by myself. Come on. I'm not trying to brag, honestly. Come on, try and get me. Don't believe me. Watch this. Okay, she has 8. Watch me do this. You just have 8. Well, I'm gonna get 100. Okay, I got 6. Oh, I can't shoot them. Ah. Oh, hello. I have to shoot you. No! The heck? Freaking dumb gun. You have 60 bullets in there. How'd you waste all of them? Hello! How you doing? How you guys doing, twins? Or just identical people? Identical twins? Hello! Oh, hello. Hello. Not a child. I should have got those people, but I didn't. How's this go? They 8. What's up, 8? No. You went to 8 to 10, and I went to 5 to 16? That's crazy, bruh. Crazy. What the? Who are you shooting at, huh? I know where you live. I don't care. You know what? Honestly, I do care. I care very much. What's up, man? I need to... What heck? What the heck, bruh? I literally got you. Oh, heck no. Heck no. Nah, that's crazy. Oh, you got me? I'm gonna get you. That's crazy. It's crazy how I went that. Back to that. Where am I at? Back to that. Where am I at? Hello. Do you remember me? I knew I should kill you. It's the twin. I killed your twin. I killed your identical twin over there. Hello. Hello, people. I'm 6 years old. Hi, I'm 6, guys. I'm 6. Hi. You want to be friends? You don't want to be friends with me, man. You're so mean. Come on, get me. I dare you to. I'm Daryl Dixon. If you guys don't know that, it's from The Walking Dead. Yeah, don't worry. If there ever is zombie apocalypse, I would be fine if they were slow walking dead zombies and there were a ton of them. But I would not be okay if there were World War Z zombies and there were only a little bit of them. It's like 3. But I'm not okay with World War Z zombies. I'm actually not. I hate them. They're the worst. I love Walking Dead zombies. Not because I love the show, because they're just slow. Oh my god. I farted. I farted and a poopy almost slipped down. Come and get me, bruh. Bro, it's always a noob who keeps coming over here. Stop coming to my house. Biscuit, don't shoot me. You shoot me. Yeah, I'll shoot your buddy too. Hello. I'm 6 years old. You have to teach me how to play this game. I don't know how to. Can you teach me? Can you teach me how to play this game? I'm only 6. You know what? I'm only gonna play with one hand. Oh, that's hard. This is hard. Okay, never mind. I'm playing with 2. Hey. I'm only gonna shoot with one finger. Nah, bro, I'm gonna shoot with 2. Frick you! Yeah, I should be done for time though. What the? I just saw a flashing light and I saw that guy just get shot. He went pew. I'm not scared. I just need a refill on my water. I'm thirsty. Thirsty for bullets. Biscuit. Stole my phone. Hurry up. Woo. There we go. Hello. What? I'm playing. What happened? Am I too loud? Oh, Bluetooth. That's on recording, so. Am I too loud? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna close this door real quick. Please help me to play this game. Bro, how was the last person only have 4 kills? Are you that bad? And it's barely been 4. Okay, after this round, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna just the sack. Hello. I'm gonna actually open my bed. I'm gonna have to open my beanbag to crawl inside there. That's crazy, man. Okay, I'm back. And here we go. What the? Hey, you! Who are you? Oh, easy. I'm going down the volume. Oh my god. Don't hurry up, please. I need to go to bed. Yeah. I'll do a face review when I'm 6 years old. Oh, I'm really level 60. Buddy. I just said you can't. I just said you can't do that. What the? Where are you? It's no face. Yes! Okay, well guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. We out.